Oh, I can't wait for the new hospital. It's just so beautiful. I've had a look through. It's got beautiful big open spaces, lovely and light in all rooms. I think it's going to be a huge benefit for all staff and patients.
It's really exciting to have a new maternity department. We have beautiful baths for water births, a brand new special care nursery. Everything's new. There's baths in the rooms for the babies. It's shiny and bright and it's just lovely.
It's really fantastic that we've been able to move into a new space. Our surgical department is now equipped with 28 beds, including a bariatric unit, as well as a negative pressure room for isolating infectious patients.
The new hospital will increase the quality of care for patients. We've got dedicated interview rooms now for patients. We've got dedicated staff areas. We'll be offering more services. We bulk bill all X-ray, CT, ultrasound. So that's a massive benefit to the local community.
In the new hospital, I'm excited for all the extra space we get. It's bigger than our current ED. There's more bed spaces, but there's also a lot of windows that we don't currently have. We're really looking forward to opening our new department and seeing everyone come through and just being able to enjoy our new facility.